Hello learners, welcome back to 130 Prepositions, Set 9. This video contains 10 questions, question number 81 to 90, explanations and their meanings in Hindi also. So let's start the video. Don't forget to write your mark in the comments section. Set 9. They fought the last man. To /4. The poor man lives from hand-mouth. To /till. He worked hard all the year. Over /through. He got this post-influence. Through /by. I paid him my own pockets. From /out of. He has an advantage me. On /over. The book is now print. Out /in. The book is now out print. Of /off. I prefer coffee tea. To /than. He died typhoid. Of /in. Here are the correct answers with explanations and Hindi meanings. 81. They fought to the last man. To /4. Explanation: to the last man is a phrase meaning they continued fighting until only one person was left.
Hindi meaning, उन्होंने आखिरी व्यक्ति तक लड़ाई लड़ी.
82. The poor man lives from hand to mouth. To /till. Explanation: from hand to mouth is an idiom that means living with just enough resources to survive, with no savings.
Hindi meaning, वह गरीब आदमी किसी तरह गुजारा कर रहा है.
83. He worked hard all through the year. Over /through. Explanation: through the year indicates that the effort was sustained continuously over the course of the year.
Hindi meaning, उसने पूरे साल कड़ी मेहनत की.
84. He got this post through influence. Through /by. Explanation: through influence means he acquired the position by leveraging his connections or influence.
Hindi meaning, उसने यह पद अपने प्रभाव के माध्यम से प्राप्त किया.
85. I paid him out of my own pockets. From /out of. Explanation: out of my own pockets means using one's personal money or resources. Hindi meaning, मैंने उसे अपनी जेब से पैसे दिए. 2. He has an advantage over me. On /over. 86. He has an advantage over me. On /over. Explanation: advantage over means he has a superior position or better circumstances compared to me.
Hindi meaning, उसे मुझ पर एक फायदा है.
87. The book is now in print. Out /in. The book is now in print means that the book is currently being published and is available for purchase or distribution. It indicates that the book is still in circulation and can be found in bookstores or online retailers. Hindi meaning, किताब अभी छप रही है और उपलब्ध है. 88. The book is now out of print. Of /off. Explanation: out of print means that the book is no longer being printed or available for sale. Hindi meaning, वह किताब अब छप नहीं रही है. 89. I prefer coffee to tea. To /than. Explanation: prefer X to Y is a structure used to express preference for one thing over another.
Hindi meaning, मैं चाय की बजाय कॉफी को पसंद करता हूँ.
90. He died of typhoid. Of /in. Explanation: died of is used to indicate the cause of death. Hindi meaning, उसकी मौत typhoid से हुई. These answers should help you understand the correct usage of prepositions in these sentences.